Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to prevent limescale buildup in a kettle. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, in kettles, most of the time, if you live somewhere where the water is rather hard, you're going to get some limescale buildup, just like you see right there. Now, to get rid of it and prevent it are two separate things. So I'm going to tell you first and foremost how to get rid of it, and then secondly, how to prevent it from happening again. You might have to get rid of it every once in a while. Even with prevention methods, you might still get a little bit of limescale over a long period of time, but these methods will definitely cut it down massively. So first of all, how to get rid of what limescale you already have in the kettle. One really good thing to use is lemon and lemon water. So what I recommend, what I always do, is make sure the kettle is off, make sure it's completely cooled down, okay? Then I get a whole lemon and I cut it in half and I squeeze all of the lemon juice into the kettle. And believe it or not, you're gonna get quite a bit of lemon juice from that lemon. So squeeze all of the lemon juice from the entire lemon, cut in half, the entire thing, squeeze all that lemon juice into the kettle, okay? Then you want to add water to the level where you see the limescale. Oftentimes you're not going to get limescale all the way up. It's probably just going to be in the lower portion because that's where the water sits after. So that's where it builds up. So you probably only have to add a little bit of water, up until this point, okay? Then what you want to do is boil the water. Okay, so boil the water that's in there with the lemon juice, and that will hopefully reduce the limescale massively. It should break it apart and allow it to come off. So then when you're done, you can go ahead and dump that water. Okay, so that's the first step to eliminate the limescale that you already have. Add lemon juice to your water. Just add a little bit of water with a whole lemon's worth of juice and then boil that water, then dump it out. Your limescale should be gone. You might have to do it, twice depending on how much limescale you have. Like that's quite a bit in there. But it will really help to get rid of it. Now the second thing is actually preventing it from happening again. Now limescale happens, to the best of my knowledge. I'm not a scientist, I'm not a professional, but to the best of my knowledge, it happens when water is sitting there and the water has deposits because it's hard water, okay? It's not soft water. So what you want to do is prevent water from sitting in there. So if you're using your kettle on a regular basis, you want to boil your water, whatever water you're going to use, okay? Pour your water in your mug or your pot or your pan or wherever you're using your boiling water, okay? Then when you're done, you want to take the kettle, you want to empty out all of the remaining water. So literally, I'm not going to do this now because this is just on the floor, but empty out all of the remaining water into the sink and then leave it open. And because the kettle was boiling the water and the water in there that's remaining is so hot, all the last little bits of water that are just sitting around the outside, just attached to the outside of the kettle and to the heating element of the kettle, they're actually going to evaporate because the kettle is still so hot. So to prevent it from occurring, whenever you're done, dump out all of the remaining water and then just leave that lid open, and then it will allow it to just get rid of any remaining water in there, and that will prevent any more limescale from building up. Now, like I said, if you live somewhere where the water is quite hard, then you might still have to do the lemon juice thing every once in a while, a couple times a year, once a year, but it will significantly cut down on the limescale buildup. And if you live somewhere where the water is decently soft, then you probably won't end up getting any limescale if you use this method where you dump out the remaining water and you leave it open just like that. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.